Guys, we are cooking some nice lovely chicken yassa in Fatim Ali's kitchen. Don't you miss out because it's going to be great. Look at how nice this chicken has grilled and how nice everything is lovely cooked together in this pot. But if you want to know how we did that, keep on watching so that you know how we put this nice lovely chicken yassa together. In the meantime, let's get started. Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's kitchen. How are you all? And thank you so much for always showing support towards our channel. We're so grateful for it. So today in Fatim Ali's kitchen, we've got you chicken yassa. Chicken yassa is a Gambian dish and it's made with chicken, and it's a kind of a lemon chicken with onions and all these ingredients here. Okay, and then today I'm going to make a little bit twist to this chicken yassa. It's gonna be classic, it's gonna be great. You're all going to enjoy it. We're going to cook this chicken yassa with these nice lovely chicken legs here. I have got 4 chicken legs that I clean nicely, and then I put some lines in them. My hands are clean, by the way. Okay, and then I soak this chicken in a lemon juice and some vinegar earlier on. Okay, and then it has been in it for half an hour and I put it in the fridge, so that's here. And then I've got some parsley, some green olives, I've got salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of each, and I've got my Ugandan chili spice that I made. Oh my god, it's like a bomb in the room. Anyway, that's here. And then I've got this lovely seasoning here, which I will talk about in a minute. It's lamb and chicken seasoning. I've got some green pepper here. I've got 2 Maggi cubes. I've got garlic here. Today I'm not gonna cut the garlic. I'm just gonna throw the cloves in the chicken and grill it with it. I've got that Ugandan chili as well again here, which we will add. I've got some eggs here, 3 eggs. I've got 4 large onions. I've got some mustard, lime and cider vinegar that will go in this cooking, but we will show you step by step what we're going to do. So let's get back to this seasoning here. This seasoning, I bought it from my favorite girl, Maribais. There you have it. She's got her number all here. I cooked it before, and then today I said let me put it together with my video and show you guys how nice this seasoning is. She does every kind of seasoning, and oh boy, it is so nice, and they're all organic. She made it naturally in her kitchen. Okay guys, and then this is the green seasoning that she put along for me too. She's a great girl. Go and check her out. She's Maribai's Cooking with Maribai's Kitchen, and that's the chicken and lamb seasoning that I bought from her. And then I also bought this dry seasoning from her as well. She's got her number here. If you want to buy the seasonings, you can contact her and then she will get you what you want. Okay, this is the dry seasoning. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do at the minute. I'm going to use my Dijon mustard. I'm going to use a tablespoon, about a table and a 3/4 spoon of Dijon mustard I'm going to add here. And then I'm going to add 1 Maggi cube in that, if I can break it. All right, let's see. Sometimes these Maggi cubes, they can be very solid, but you just have to put your hands together and just kind of press it, see, just like that. Yeah. There you go. We're breaking it. Right, we break everything now. So that goes in. And then I'm going to put half of that salt and pepper in it too. Then I'll go with the favorite lamb and chicken seasoning from Maribai in it. And also I will add my Ugandan chili sauce in it. It's gonna be very nice and spicy. So we mix all of that together, and then we're going to add that to our chicken. Okay, we add that there. Okay, we set that aside, and then use our clean lovely hands, and then make sure we marinate the whole chicken. We shouldn't miss anything out with this marinade that we make. Wow, I can smell the seasonings already. They're so nice. Lovely. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash my hands a minute, and then I'm going to put the chicken on the tray here. We're going to grill our chicken in the oven gas mark 180 for half an hour. We're going to boil the eggs in here. Okay guys, so now we're going to jump on and do our onion for our yassa. We're going to cut our onion in slices. And then we're going to put the onion exactly the same place where we marinate the chicken earlier. Then we'll add another little marinade into it, and that's going to be our onion sauce. Okay. Okay, that's our onion nicely sliced. Okay, so we're going to add a little marinade for our diced onions. This time we'll just put one because there was some left before from the other one. All right, and then we add one Maggi to that one too. There you go, easy peasy. Not sure sometimes. Right, let's break them. Maggi, okay. I'm going to add some lime juice to this marinade. About a tablespoon of it. And I'm going to add some cider vinegar. Yeah, that one too, about a tablespoon. Then we mix this together. Then check our chicken. Wow, our chicken is cooking nicely. I'm going to go on and turn it over and cook the other side. Did you see how we throw our garlics in there? See, sometimes I like to crunch the garlic. Very nice. Right, let's hold that. And then turn this over. Okay, and then put that back in. While our chicken is cooking in the oven nicely, we're going to go on and fry our onion for our yassa. The oil is nicely hot here, so we're going to go on and add the onion in. And then we give that all a stir. And then I'm going to add the olives and the chili pepper in and mix it all together. So we leave that to fry for a little bit, okay? Our onion has fried now, so that's what we want. And then we're going to go on and add a little tiny water in that marinated bowl, and then add it in. That's all that we're going to add in. And now we're going to leave this to cook, okay? While our chicken also cooks in the oven. Nice one. Our chicken has nicely grilled. We're going to take it out. Wow. So we're going to go on and add our chicken in our yassa, just right on the top. Look at that, guys. And we will add the garlics in. Lovely. So at this moment in time, we will turn our gas all the way down because this has almost cooked. It will only take us 1 or 2 minutes for it to soak in our chicken before we turn the gas off, alright? And then in the meantime, we're going to put our rice on because we're going to eat this lovely chicken yassa with rice, okay? Okay guys, let's check our chicken yassa. Look at that. Our chicken yassa has nicely cooked here. Look at that. It is looking so nicely. Wow. So we're going to go on and turn the gas totally off now. And then we are going to be waiting for our rice. Then we'll show you how we dish out. Okay, so in the meantime, let's wait for the rice. So guys, our rice is ready. So as you can see here, we've already plated up. We're gonna go on and put our chicken yassa on our rice for it to be ready to have it. Nice one. Okay. Try to make it all nicely. Just there. Okay. That is looking nice and it smells lovely. I'm gonna put the chilies there. The gravy goes on now. Okay, and now we put our garnish on. Lovely. And then we are going to finish off with garnishing our chicken yassa with our nice lovely curly parsley. So guys, that's all that we've got for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. A lovely classic chicken yassa, and I hope you enjoy watching it while we make it for you. If you do, click the like, and if you're new to our channel, don't you forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on content when we post a new video. You'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, you're all invited. We love you until we come on your way again soon. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.